Okay, prime number factor box. I'm going to investigate some numbers and see if they're prime numbers or not. The numbers I'm going to investigate today is 2. I'm going to investigate 5. I'm going to investigate 8. And finally, I'm going to investigate 1. Let's see which of these are prime numbers. So first of all, I'm going to draw number 2 as a factor box. So what we're going to do is see the ways to make it. 1 and 2. Has it got any more factors? No, it doesn't. All prime numbers have exactly 2 factors. Well, look like little antennae. So we'll look at 5 again, see if it's the same pattern. 5. Let's see how we can make 5. 1 and 5. Uh-oh, that is the only way to make it. So it's a prime number because it only has exactly 2 factors. Now let's look at 8. Okay, 8. Okay, 8. 1 and 8. Wait a minute. 2 and 4. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. There's multiple ways of making it. Okay, so what it's got legs as well. That cannot be a prime number. Let's cross it out. It is not a prime number. A prime number will have exactly 2 factors. Now, finally, I'm going to look at a bit of a tricky one, which is 1. Oh, my paper moved because it was so tricky. 1. Now, 1 is really weird. How do you make 1 with times tables? 1 times 1. Now, a rule with factor boxes is you only write a number once. It looks like this weird thing with little antennae. It doesn't have 2 antennae at the top. It doesn't look like a prime number. That's why it's not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So let's cross him out. Let's get rid of that bug. Okay? So these are your prime numbers, 2 and 5. And what I can do right at the top is list all the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They actually go on for quite a long way, but they're your main ones. In fact, they go on forever.